Hi everyone, I'm Edward Munoz and today we will make one balloon arch with quick links, okay? We will need quick links 12-inch and 5-inch balloons. It's really important use the high float, okay? Remember the high float comes with different clips, different colors. If you don't know which one you have to use, the high float comes with instructions like that and tell you which clip you have to use for different size of balloon. We use right now the orange is for 11-inch balloons. We need to fill all the latex with helium, but to make sure everything looks proportional, we use a sizer, 9-inch sizer. The first balloon we will tie in one balloon weight. Next balloon we will tie together, okay? Wrapping around 2 times. 1, 2, just make a knot. When you know what size you want your arch, on the other side, you have to tie one balloon weight. We will make quads with 5-inch balloons. To make the 5-inch quad, I use the premium twin sizer because I can select what size specific I want, okay? When you make your quad, those balloons quad going in between the 2 quick link balloons, okay? See, now you have one beautiful balloon arch with quick links.